Hello, amazing people. Welcome back to Omalila Finance Lab, your hub for financial adventures and practical tips to transform your life. How are you doing today? Let me know in the comments. I'm Badamosi Omalila, and we're here to serve you with engaging, relatable content that will take you one step closer to financial freedom. If you're returning, a massive thank you for sticking with us. If you're new, don't miss out, hit that subscribe button, BOLP the like button, and get ready to start thinking rich today. Also, grab your favorite drink and settle in, because today's episode is going to give you the confidence to start creating the rich mindset you deserve. Did you know that your mindset shapes your financial future? Yes. Today, we're diving into the simplest way to start thinking rich. Stick around because I'll also be sharing a super fun challenge to kickstart your journey. And trust me, this is one video you'll be glad you watched till the end. Let's go. Oh, and spoiler alert, you might just leave this video feeling like a financial rock star. Thinking rich isn't just about having money, it's about developing a mindset that attracts opportunities and builds wealth over time. Thinking rich means adopting habits, beliefs, and behaviors that align with long-term financial success. It's about seeing money as a tool for creating freedom and opportunities, not just a means to spend. It involves taking intentional actions, no matter where you start economically. Imagine two people earning the same salary. One saves, invests, and grows their wealth. The other spends impulsively and struggles to stay afloat. What's the difference? Mindset. Here's the exciting part. A wealth-driven mindset doesn't require you to be rich, it starts with small, intentional changes today. Think of your mind as the engine, and your actions as the fuel that drives your journey to financial success. Start by asking yourself, what does wealth mean to me? Is it freedom, security, luxury, or giving back? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Begin by journaling what wealth looks like for you. Is it owning a home? Traveling the world? Write it down, this will guide your financial habits. Here's the game changer: habits. To think rich, you must act rich, not in spending but in mindset. Step-by-step guide. Set clear goals. Start small but specific. For example, save $50 this week or read one financial article daily. Gratitude practice. Each morning, write down 3 things you're grateful for. This rewires your brain to focus on abundance. Track finances. Use apps like Mint or a simple notebook to log daily expenses and income. Read financial content. Dedicate 20 minutes to reading books like Rich Dad Poor Dad or listening to financial podcasts. Visualize success. Spend 5 minutes daily imagining achieving your financial goals, owning a business, paying off debts, or retiring early. Imagine starting your day with a gratitude journal and ending it by reviewing how your spending aligns with your goals. Game changer, right? Find an accountability partner who also wants to think rich. Share goals and check in weekly. It's the small, consistent habits that pave the way for big financial breakthroughs. And remember, the journey is just as important as the destination. Celebrate your progress, no matter how small. Your brain is like a sponge. Feed it positive and wealth-driven thoughts, and it will align your actions with your goals. Positive reinforcement through affirmations can train your brain to seek opportunities. Studies show that consistent visualization and affirmations increase goal achievement by 42%. Surround yourself with wealth-minded people. Your circle greatly influences your mindset. Create a vision board. Include images of the car you want, the house, or even a happy family vacation. Place it somewhere visible. A friend of mine started visualizing her dream home every day. Within 2 years, she saved enough for a down payment. Visualization works. The key is consistency. Keep your goals front and center, and let them fuel your daily decisions. And don't forget to celebrate the small wins along the way. They're stepping stones to bigger success. Are you still with me? Good. because we're about to reveal the challenge that will take your rich thinking game to the next level. Stick around, you don't want to miss this exciting opportunity to transform your mindset. Your mission, should you choose to accept it, is simple. Write down 5 habits that match your Think Rich mindset and implement them this week. Track all expenses daily. Say affirmations like, "I attract wealth effortlessly." Dedicate 20 minutes to learning about investments. Network with one new person who inspires you. Avoid unnecessary spending for 7 days. Use sticky notes to remind yourself of daily habits. Set a recurring phone alarm labeled Think Rich Habit Time. Reflect nightly, what worked? What can improve? One viewer shared how writing "I am a money magnet" every morning boosted their confidence and led to a surprise job offer. Amazing, right? And here's the twist: celebrate your wins. Each time you follow through on a habit, treat yourself to something small, a favorite snack, a movie night, or even a happy dance. Why? Because celebrating reinforces success. The best part? You're creating habits that will transform your mindset and your finances for life. So grab a notebook, start your list, and let's make those goals a reality. Oh, and don't forget to share your progress in the comments. Your journey could inspire someone else to start theirs too. The key to success? Consistency. Small, intentional steps every day lead to big changes over time. Step-by-step plan. Review progress weekly. Are you meeting your goals? Adjust as needed if one habit isn't working, tweak it. Celebrate small wins to stay motivated. Remember our earlier videos? We've covered saving strategies and financial freedom. Check out those chapters for more inspiration. Playlist link in the description. And here's a bonus tip: pair your habits with something you already enjoy. For example, listen to a finance podcast while exercising or review your weekly budget with a cup of coffee. Make it fun and rewarding. Need extra motivation? Create a visual tracker, a simple chart, or even a jar where you add coins for every successful day. Watch your progress grow. Now it's your turn. Which of these steps will you start today? Let me know in the comments. Oh, and don't forget, thinking rich is a journey, not a sprint. So, give yourself grace as you grow. Every step counts. If this video inspired you, hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss future episodes in our Think Rich series. Don't forget to BOOP that like button and share your habits in the comments. Got questions? Ask away. And if there's a specific topic you'd love us to cover, let me know, I'm here for you. Here's a quick challenge: share this video with one person you know who's ready to upgrade their money mindset. Let's spread the wealth of knowledge and grow together as a community. Thanks for watching, amazing people. Keep dreaming, keep growing, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now. Remember, every like, comment, and share helps us continue creating valuable content for you. You're not just a viewer, you're part of this journey. Let's keep making money moves, one step at a time. Together, we're building a community that thinks big, acts bold, and lives fulfilled, because you deserve nothing less.